We are in the corridor of the pods. There's 3 bedrooms in this pod, all in suites. All of these doors open out into this courtyard. All these rooms have these screens, and so that you'll hit a button and you'll have a motorized screen that goes down that creates privacy.
The products that we're getting donated for this house is the Phantom roll screens. We've got 3 across here for all 3 of these guest bedrooms. We were originally looking at putting them on the inside, but we were having proximity issues with the housing to the handle for the wind doors. So we thought about putting them on the outside, have the housings here that are going to span greater than the width of this. We'll be doing 2 separate housings for the screens to go both directions here, and the housings actually exceed the width of this PSL, and in order to encompass both, we're going to have very minimal returns both here and here. So we're going to have to invent some kind of housing around the double housing to hide it and make it look like one continuous screen. The Phantom screen installers definitely have been out here in full force to come up with battle plans, because these are the very first implementation of this product. So not only the screen housing and how we're mounting it here, but also how we're mounting the track on the ground and how we're going to house it, because the track is one width, but the width of the assembly that you slide over is greater than that width. So we actually have to create a recess in the tile in order to accommodate both the track and then the greater width housing of the bar that extends. Another product that Phantom Screens is donating to us is another first of its kind, is 2 40-foot spans that go both here on this side, on the putting green side, and on the pool side of the great room. They're coming off of our LVL box beams. These brackets right here are going to be clad in plywood, then lath, and then stuccoed to encompass the screens so that you don't see them. The Phantom Screen guys out, they've been a tremendous help. We've actually sat together and came up with mock cross sections of how we were going to mount these, and then a new innovation given the span that they had to traverse, given the deflection of the roll itself that the actual screen sits in and rolls in to support it through the center section of the span so you don't get any sag, so that when the weight bar hits the ground, it hits evenly.
It's fun to work with a vendor and have them come up with something that they haven't done before.